For now, breaking updates now coming in of the Congress party amplifying the vote chori raga. In fact, the Youth Congress is attempting to gherav the parliament. Big protest being witnessed by the India Youth Congress that has escalated the protest against the centre. So, big protest taking place. Remember, yesterday, the Congress party also held a vote chori rally that was in the Ram Leela Maidan. In the latest, we are told the Youth Congress is also attempting to gherav the parliament. Now, this is a high security zone, but the Congress workers have now brought the protest to the parliament because they continue to say that vote chori is a big issue. Remember, the Congress party has been raking up the issue time and again. There is a bit of a controversy as well over the Congress's vote chori rally because in the rally yesterday, attended by Rahul Gandhi as well as Mallikarjun Kharge and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, there were slogans, death chants that were raised against the Prime Minister. There were Congress workers who were seen chanting, Modi Teri Kabar Khudegi. And even now, the Congress party has not acknowledged it. In fact, the BJP has now demanded an apology from the top leadership of the Congress party. There were disruptions in the parliament as well. My colleague Shefali gets us this ground report.
Indian Youth Congress is holding a protest at Jantar Mantar. You can see a huge number of protesters have gathered at Jantar Mantar against the alleged vote chori. They are protesting against the central government over vote chori. They are sloganeering here saying vote chor gati chhod. They have jumped up on the barricades and are now trying to break those barricades and jump off the barricade. Heavy number of police has been deployed at Jantar Mantar. We'll try to speak to some of the protesters over here. Sir, protest कर रहे हैं आप लोग, क्या कहेंगे?
SIR को लेकर जो देश में जो चल रहा है, मोदी जी जो अन्याय कर रहे हैं देश में, उसके प्रति हम लोग घेराव कर रहे हैं। जो भी SIR का जो साफ होना चाहिए, सिर्फ स्वच्छ होना चाहिए। देश का लोकतंत्र सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र, पूरी दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र, इससे अच्छा लोकतंत्र कोई नहीं है। इसको देश को बिल्कुल न्याय से होना चाहिए सारी व्यवस्था।